Hello everyone, welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. I'm your licensed esthetician where I help other solo estheticians win and others with their skincare and beauty needs. Whether you are a beginner, an expert, a solo, whatever you are, if you're an esthetician, if you got that title, I'm here for you, boo. I'm so excited to share some essential tools and products every beginner esthetician needs. So let's get started and talk about it. Keep in mind, having the right tools and products is crucial for providing effective treatment. You guys, this is key because you want to make sure you have everything for your clients when you are about to offer your services. Why? Because this ensures client satisfaction, okay? When you have everything and you're doing what you need to do, then your client is going to be satisfied. Having the right tools and products not only enhances your services, but also help you work more efficiently. So when you have everything that you need to effectively do your services, it makes it easy for you and your client. Here are some must-have items for every aspiring or beginner esthetician. Coming in at number 1, the facial steamer, which is really crucial and key being an esthetician. Definitely if you offer facials, essential for opening up your pores and prepping the skin for treatments. Facial steamers are they're all around great. I love it. It even helps for me to breathe a little bit. So I even do it just because in the colder months I be dry and you'll catch me steaming just to open up my nostrils a little bit more better. Coming in at number 2, you want to have your extraction tools. So this is necessary for safely removing blackheads and whiteheads. So you want to be able to have those just in case you're not able to really properly squeeze blackheads when they're ready or whiteheads when they're ready. Coming in at number 3, you want to have a high frequency machine. I don't think I actually had a high frequency handheld device, but I believe I had one like on my fake hydrofacial machine, let's just say that. Yeah, barely used it, but it's great for treating acne and improving skin texture. So you want to have that high frequency machine. Definitely if you're an acne specialist or you are looking to improve your client's skin texture, which we should, that machine is really beneficial to have on hand. And the last is professional skincare products. So invest in high quality cleansers, serums, moisturizers, eye creams. You know, you want a good quality grade. You don't want something you can go get from the dollar store. I mean, it works, but you might not get the results that you're looking for. You want to make that initial investment in some good products. I'll list some in the link down below for you guys. Everything that I mentioned, I'll list some links down below that you can kind of check out and look for yourself. Here are some tips for choosing the right tools and products for aspiring or beginner estheticians. Number 1, you want to be able to research and review before purchasing. This is key because you don't want to get anything that doesn't work. You don't want to get anything that doesn't fit your business module or your style or the services that you offer. You want to get things that make sense. I've always said this. Get the products, do your research, look at the reviews before you purchase what you need to purchase. Number 2, start with the basics and gradually expand your kit. This is real because the basics, cleanser, moisturizer. Maybe you can't do the eye cream right now. That's okay. Get your cleanser and the moisturizer. That is key. You can still use a moisturizer to moisturize the whole face. Maybe you can't do a serum. That's okay. Maybe get like a hydrating misting spray. Try to plug in what you can do and make it make sense for your client's skin health and your pockets at the moment. You got to kind of, sometimes us as estheticians, we kind of got to weave out what we really want, write it down, have it on the side that you know eventually you're going to get it. But then other times you have to just stick with what you have and make it work until you're able to get those items on your list. Finding effective, result-driven products and techniques that's gonna leave your clients in awe, like, oh my gosh, I love my skin, it looks great, even though you didn't have an eye cream or a serum. Sometimes you gotta just make it work. Number 3, invest in quality over quantity. I agree with quality over quantity. I don't want a million lipsticks. Every time I put that lipstick on somebody, they say, oh, as soon as I take a bite of something, it's completely off. You know, I don't want to have a whole bunch of moisturizers and they're not being beneficial for my skin. Quality over quantity any day. As long as you got the essentials that make sense for your services that you provide for your clients, that's all that matters. Number 4, keep your tools sanitized and in good condition. You guys, keep them in good condition. Your customers or your clients should not be even seeing your tools out, hanging out on the countertop. They shouldn't be. They should be safely put away, labeled in a cabinet somewhere. Clean, sanitized, you know, and sterilized. I plan on doing a video. I get asked about sterilization, sanitization, disinfectant. Comment down below if you guys want me to go in great detail about that, because I feel like I should. You want to make sure you're keeping those tools sanitized and in great condition. If your extraction tool is wearing down, get you a new one. If your facial brush is all frizzed up, it's time for you to get a new one. Number 5, stay updated with the latest products and technologies. So again, you want to stay updated with what new products are out in the market. Does it make sense for you? Does it make sense for you to get this for your clients? Have your clients been talking about something like this lately? Again, just because it's new doesn't mean you have to really hop on it right away, or doesn't mean it applies to solely of what you're doing in your business, but it's good to know about it. It's good to learn about it, because more than likely it's all on social media. People are talking about it. So when your customers or clients come to you, at least you'll have an idea on how to respond to what they're coming to you with. It's key for us to stay on top of everything. I remember when those pores masks came out. Oh my goodness. A lot of my clients like, should I get this? I got this. And you know, it works for some people. I told my clients those are a little harsh. I don't recommend them, but I would just recommend a nice facial exfoliation to simply just get started and start to take care of your skin. If you're wanting to get started with tools and products that you can bring on to your new esthetician product collection or tool collection, I linked some of my favorite beginner tools and products down below. Some links down below. You can click on there as well. And then I also do have a store on Amazon that you guys can check out. When you guys click on the links down below, I do earn a small commission, so just keep that in mind. It just helps me perform and do more videos as such, you guys. But I will leave down below some links that's beneficial for you guys to get started with. And that's all I have today. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more esthetician tips and recommendations. And until next time, I'll catch you guys back with another one. Bye.